Episode 2 places this show very specifically towards in the middle of Shang-Chi. But then the Shang-Chi end credits has Bruce with his arm still hurt, which he fixes in the first episode.
Yes.
So is that a mistake? Does he get hurt again? And will that be covered at some point?
When you first come into Bruce and Jen in the car in the first episode, you kind of hear the tail end of the conversation. And really that conversation is just him talking about how he discovered that his arm could heal better when he was in human form. So he created that little device that you see him wearing to keep him in human form just so that he can heal his arm and then go back to being Smart Hulk. And that's why when the device breaks in the car accident, he turns back into Smart Hulk. And because we were doing all of this, that's actually why we kind of planted Bruce in banner form in Shang-Chi.
Okay. All right. So the timeline still sticks where it's like, okay. That tease, obviously, people are going to be speculating, going crazy about Bruce going out in Sicarian ship. Obviously, you can't say when or if we'd find out. But, like, again, how did that get kind of settled on, that would be part of She-Hulk? And what was your kind of reaction when you found out what the consequences were as an MCU fan?
Well, really, having him go off planet is kind of a way to just signal to people like, hey, this is She-Hulk's show.
Yes.
Like, don't expect more of Bruce. This is not going to be Bruce and Jen hanging out every day.
Yeah.
And, you know, there were a lot of, we saw in them in like Thor Ragnarok that he spent a lot of time on Sakaar as Hulk. And, you know, for the majority of that time, we don't know what he was up to. So this kind of just is a little bit of a hint of, hey, now all of that stuff might be coming home to roost. And all we're doing is just leaving the door open for that.